Maria Luisa de Laico, Dean of the Ramon V. del Rosario College of Business, will introduce the graduates from the college.
Doctor of Business Administration, Nang Leverick with distinction. Master of Science in Entrepreneurship, Lorena Manuel Paulo. Master of Science in Financial Engineering, Jin Xiang Mei. Master of Business Administration, Major in Finance, Balinas Diperchan. Master of Business Administration, Major in Marketing, Ola Jenny Villin. Master of Business Administration, Aganon Charlemagne. Ankla Van Japheth, Ang Michelle, Angeles Maria Isabel, Arnado Tirso, Ayala Jason, Badion Jeffrey, Baltasar Francis Christian, Basa Jose V, Batara Mariel, Bernal John Leonard, Bulen Nino Joseph, Canyoza Joyce Ann, Cantago Jenny Lou, Carbonell Mark, Condes Marco, Copia Ricardo Ian, Dakanay Christine Joy, Dalusong Carlo Magno, Janicio Rachel Ann, Enriquez Jelica, Escartin Troy Christopher, Galio Dolores, Ibasco Maria Christine, Indunan Candice Nika, Isidro Richie Christopherson, Lagdamen Rudinet, Lapus Christian, Liu Lingyan, Lopez Jose Eduardo, Lopez Luis Lee, Lou Alexander James, Maambong Sherwin Carey, Munoz Juan Carlos, Nagit Mary Angeline, Nethercott Richard, Ong Johnny, Ong Johnny, Pagiligan Carla Katrina, Paunlagi Rachel, Perez John Patrick, Pineda Katrina, Kirong Dan Alvin, Reyes Michelle, Rosalie Ronan, Rojas Jeffrey, Santos Lara Cristel, C. John Andrew, Subido Carlos Joaquin, Tabayoyong Lauren Riza, Tabuso Jean, Tan Pia Angelina, Tiu Laurel Jessica May Ling, Thomas Marie Anna, Beliana Miguel Enrico, Viray William, Master